For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cowhan, or 30 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cowhan and Rama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.